Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be railfanning the CN Yard again. And you can see down there, there's some CN and some city rail. And we definitely can't see it from this angle, but behind those, like behind the building, there's a CEFX, the blue engine with the white stripes. I actually have a tutorial for CEFX AC4400CW on my channel I made in February. If you want, you guys can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And there's another city rail behind these CN hopper cars and another CN engine. And over there's some pipe cars. And there's some grain cars and everything like that. So yeah, we're also right next to a crossing, which we'll go check out. You can see we're at a rail crossing, which is pretty neat. You can see and there's also another one there, and there's everything. We're zooming in again because, you know, why not? And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, Railfanning the CN Yard number 2. You can see there's no trains really going right now. So you can see there's that, and then, wait, is that like a broom or something? And then there's like all this stuff. I'll zoom out and show you guys everything. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I'll take another look at those pipe cars. Oh, there's my bike. But so yeah, behind there's some pipe cars, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put a lot of effort into these videos. So, anyway, see you guys later. Bye. I'm just gonna get a good thumbnail here.